Kakong Ampareen Lyngdoh MLA ka East Shilllong kabaderu ka Menteri Sarkar, menta kasngi balang ka santarik naitung arajar Plie. Kalap lipad ba ya ka Toyota Technology Education Program TTEP Institute Don Bosco Technical School kabadon halai umkra Shilllong. Kane kaderu ka institute ka banengkong tam apo ka jela Meklaya balayarap da ka Automotive Skills Development Council da ka jingtmu banyarap iki samla ki badan sap banyarap kantiu ki sap ipong jungki. Kenang makin la berkiu syaprang kantam akit hanyong kendong. Hakani kasngi la dan lang ubikram gulati ubade u country head and executive by president ka KTM Fadar Acha Dias Puwen principal ka Don Bosco Technical School Shilllong. U Arun Lawania ubade u deputy lead state initiatives and capacity building ASDC. U Ambarish Das vice president ka Highland Toyota and senior executive na ka KTM bad kisamla pule shenrang berkantay.
When I was sitting there, I was just tempted to just think about that. And it's so deep. If you want to look at an organization and its desire to grow, it cannot grow unless the society grows, the country grows, and the community grows. So, skilling and being a part of that endeavor is something that's very dear to us. We've been working in the space of skilling practically from the day we started operations. And TTEP goes all the way back to 2006, the program that we're talking about today. Now it has a foothold in almost all the states. This is the 63rd center. And this is aimed at bringing up skills and technicians in the area of automotive maintenance, which is so critical for us, for any OEM, to deliver true customer satisfaction. And especially so when the technology is so evolving. What you saw of an automobile perhaps 10 or even 5 years ago is no longer valid today. And what you will see of an automobile 5 years hence will be completely different.
That Toyota has come forward. I was wondering whether it was a CSR program, but Sir has just said that this is a program that is designed from other sources. Now that's very, very good. Father Arcadis, you are a great leader in this institution, sir. And I think the students are very, very lucky to have you in this place because you are a person who's very keyed in and interested in making sure that our citizens, young citizens, prepare themselves for good opportunities of employment in their adult lives. Uh, the number of children that come to me seeking for admission in this institution is crazy. But what I worry most is when I follow up with kids whose fees I have paid, kids whose training I have supported. When I follow up with them after 2 years, sadly, many of them have just disappeared into oblivion. They disappear and they just don't do anything. So, coming to Don Bosco Technical School and making an MLA request, Father Principal, what's the point if you're not going to be using that training productively? So, Father, whenever Madam says, please give seat, don't listen. You evaluate the child first. Because really, I have spent so much money from my personal sources and other sources on educating kids from my constituency in various programs in Don Bosco. I'm so happy that in this turnaround of technology, we have Vikram Gulati representing the entire Toyota team. I will not remember everybody's name, please pardon me, but exceptional, exceptional dedication to for Toyota to come all the way to Meghalaya and set up an institution like this and be willing to partner with, of course, you've got the right partner for sure, but coming all the way here and actually are willing to train our kids in these new modern technologies in vehicles. You will not believe it. Nobody drives a Maruti 800 anymore. About 20 years back, Maruti 800 was the most happening vehicle. But today you see, nobody cares about Maruti 800. Nobody sees a carburetor in a vehicle. Of course, drivers like us should learn at least how to change the tires in case we get stuck anywhere in the jungle. But the point I'm trying to drive home to these young people is go earn for yourselves, go seek employment. Believe me, don't think that if you're a graduate with 45%, you have a high rate in the market. It's better you have a TTEP certificate program from Don Bosco than to go for 3 years and come up with a result which is just 45-50% BA or BCom. You will not get jobs. This is something you have to understand. Yeah, see, problem with the state of Meghalaya is that many people imagine that okay, chalo, let's have a 10 to 5 job with government. Everybody will line up for a government job. That's not the way. Look at my job. I had a government job. I left it to join politics. Every 5 years, I have an exam. I have to pass the exam. Otherwise, I miss three. I was earning 1.75 lakhs per month. I left it because I got this calling that I should be there for the people of the state of Meghalaya to bring about good changes, good policies, good planning. And fortunately, my constituency voted for me and I've become a veteran in this job. Now, I cannot understand why parents also see girls and boys. Don't think that your value in society. If you meet somebody and you want to marry that somebody, you're about to meet the family of that person. You don't have to have a very fancy degree to be married. You can also have a good certificate, technical course from this institution and tell your mother-in-law to be, your father-in-law to be, your wife to be that look, this at least I will not leave your daughter hungry. See? And then people are complaining. Hey, what is this government doing?